Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy KrazyTeeTP. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install fonts in Windows 10 operating system. So to do that, you just need to go to a folder where your font is or your fonts are. So in this case I'm going to install this Android. So in order to get started, let me show you this, guys. You see, this is my text. Then let me go to format font and search for this Android. You see, we don't have this font yet, so let us go and install it. So what we need to do here is we can double click, then say install here, or you can come to this Android, then right click, then say install. Then it will start installing. Then it is done. Let's go back to this text here. You see, we now have this font. Let's go you see, we now have Android. Okay, let me search it. You see, we now have this Android 7. Then let us click OK. So we have installed this font here, guys, but if you're using the newest versions of Windows 10, this would be different. So if you want me to make that video also, hit me up. So yeah, this was the video, guys. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. So peace.